You're sitting at the kitchen table, dishes piling up, kids asleep. But something's off. Your wife's texting, smiling at her phone, and it's not you. A knot twists in your gut. She's slipping away, drawn to another man. You've been married years, but work, stress, and late nights pushed her to the edges of your mind. Now you see it. You've been blind to her heart. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoic philosophy shows you 7 truths about Stoicism. Women to win her back, not by chasing, but by becoming the man she needs. Stoicism for women isn't about fixing her. It's about fixing you, calming your mind, reducing anxiety, and rebuilding trust. Ready to take control with Stoicism on love? Listen, brother, this will change everything. Stoicism women respond to is Stoic philosophy, a way to steady your heart and build strength that pulls her close. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not her feelings. Life's chaos, bills, kids, work, drowns out her voice. But Stoicism for beginners helps you rise above. These 7 weaknesses aren't her faults. They're clues to what she craves, blending Stoicism relationships with timeless wisdom. Through stories of guys like you, Stoic quotes, and practical Stoicism exercises, you'll master self-improvement, spark motivation, and boost productivity. Stoicism women need is the husband who shows up, who stands strong when life pulls you apart. Let's rebuild your Stoic mindset. First, attention. Stoicism. Women crave your attention. She's juggling kids, chores, and her job, but feels invisible. Jack, a mechanic, noticed Lisa's late-night chats with a coworker. He'd been stuck at the shop ignoring her. One night he said, "I see how much you do. Let's talk." Her eyes softened. Seneca said, "Time is our greatest gift." Stoicism practice means noticing her. Put your phone down. Ask, "How's your day?" Think, "Am I really seeing her?" Stoicism. Women open to men who care. Mental health grows when you connect. Write one moment you ignored her. How can attention bring her back? Second, value. Stoicism. Women need to feel valued. She pours her heart into the family, but your silence screams she's not enough. Tom, a teacher, saw Sarah's glow fade as she texted a friend who got her. He started saying, "You make our home amazing." She smiled again. Epictetus said, "Wealth lies in what we cherish." Stoicism motivation means praising her. Tell her, "I'm proud of you," daily. Ask, does she know she matters? Stoicism for women thrives on worth. Productivity rises when you lift her up. List a time you didn't affirm her. How can value rebuild her trust? Third, stability. Stoicism. Women seek stability. Life's storms, money fights, late nights, make her crave a steady hand. Mike, a driver, saw Emma pull away, charmed by a calm colleague. He stopped snapping, said, "We'll get through this together." She stayed close. Zeno said, "Virtue holds us steady." Stoicism lessons mean being her rock. When stress hits, stay calm. Say, "I'm here." Reflect, do I calm her fears? Stoicism relationships grow with trust. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded. Write a moment you lost your cool. How can stability anchor her heart? Fourth, presence. Stoicism. Women want your presence. She's not just your wife. She's a woman longing to be seen. Dave, a clerk, caught Tara laughing with a neighbor. He'd been glued to work calls. One evening, he planned a walk, said, "Just us tonight." She lit up. Clinthys said, "Wisdom lives in the moment." Stoicism for beginners means showing up. Plan a coffee date. Be all in. Think, am I here for her? Stoicism, women lean into men who stay close. Motivation grows when you're present. Journal a time you were distant. How can presence pull her in? Fifth, novelty. Stoicism. Women crave novelty. Routine. Same dinners, same fights, dulls her spark, pushing her to others' excitement. Ben, a chef, saw Claire's eyes wander to a lively coworker. He surprised her with a picnic, saying, "Let's shake things up." She laughed. "You're fun again." Marcus Aurelius said, "Life is what we make it." Stoicism daily means breaking the grind. Try a new hobby together. Say, "Let's do this." Ask, does our life excite her? Stoicism for women loves fresh moments. Self-improvement keeps you sharp. Write a time you fell into routine. How can novelty reignite her? Sixth, loyalty. Stoicism. Women need your loyalty. When she feels you're checked out, her heart seeks safety elsewhere. Sam, a builder, noticed Jenna's texts to an old friend. He'd been cold, distracted. He said, "I'm all in. You're my home." She teared up. Seneca said, "Virtue binds us." Stoicism on love means standing firm. Show her you're my only. Through actions. Help with chores? Hold her hand? Reflect, does she feel secure? Stoicism. Women stay with men who commit. Mental health thrives on trust. List a time you seem distant. How can loyalty win her back? Seventh, emotional connection. Stoicism. Women long for emotional connection. She's not just venting, she's reaching for your heart. Luke, a salesman, saw Mia warm to a friend who listened. He'd brushed her off. One night he said, "Tell me what's weighing you down." She opened up. Epictetus said, "Listening builds bridges." Stoicism practice means hearing her. When she talks, look in her eyes, say, "I get how that feels." Think, do I feel her heart? Stoicism. Women bond with men who connect. Mindfulness grows through empathy. Write a time you tuned her out. How can connection rebuild her love? Now, lock in these truths with 5 Stoicism exercises to rebuild your Stoic reign, crafted for husbands mastering Stoicism on love. These Stoicism practice steps strengthen mental health, reduce anxiety, and draw her closer. First, see her. Every night, write, "I see her." Note one thing she did well, like cooking dinner. Jack wrote, "Lisa's patience amazed me." This Stoicism exercise builds Stoicism mindset. Do it daily. Second, be her rock. Before bed, say, "I'm her rock." Write a time you stayed calm, like not arguing. Mike wrote, "I didn't snap." She relaxed. This Stoicism daily habit steadies you. Try it nightly. Third, bring joy. List 3 ways to surprise her. Say, "I bring joy." Note one step, like planning a date. Ben wrote, "Picnic made her smile." This fuels Stoicism motivation. Do it weekly. Fourth, choose peace. Pause before reacting. Say, "I choose peace." Note a time you listened, like hearing her stress. Luke wrote, "I heard her, she softened." This Stoicism practice deepens Stoicism relationships. Try it daily. Fifth, be all in. Write one thing she loves. Say, "I'm all in." Note a loyal act, like helping with kids. Sam wrote, "I stayed home. She felt safe." This Stoicism exercise strengthens trust. Do it when she's distant. Brother, you're halfway to winning her back. Stoicism, women feel your strength growing. Write "I am Stoic" in the comments to join our brotherhood, forging Stoic philosophy together. Keep building your heart. Brother, winning her back starts with small, steady steps. This 21-day Stoic Marriage Challenge, built for men embracing Stoicism on love, helps you rebuild trust and pull her close. Each week, you'll do one simple act to show her you're the man she needs, forging Stoicism relationships that last. Track your progress in a notebook and share your wins with Stoic Reign on X to fuel Stoicism motivation. These habits can cut stress by 35%, studies show, aligning with Stoicism practice. Ready to start? Days 1 to 7. Notice her effort. Every night, write one thing she did well, like keeping the kids happy. For example, she handled bedtime like a pro. This builds Stoicism mindset by showing you see her heart. Think, her smile's worth it. Journal how it changes her. Days 8 to 14. Stay calm. Each day, pause before you react to her stress, like when she's upset about bills. Take a breath, say, we're okay. This Stoicism daily habit strengthens Stoicism relationships. Note how your calm makes her feel safe. Days 15 to 21. Surprise her. Plan one small act daily, like making her coffee or saying, "You're amazing." Ben wrote, "Her laugh came back." This sparks Stoicism motivation, lighting up your marriage. Journal how her eyes glow again. These steps aren't just tasks, they're your path to Stoicism on love. Keep going, brother. Imagine now, her smile returns, her phone forgotten, because you're the man she needs. Stoicism. Women crave the husband who masters these 7 truths: attention, value, stability, presence, novelty, loyalty, connection. Seneca said, "Virtue is our only treasure." These Stoicism lessons, rooted in Stoic quotes, build mental health, motivation, and productivity. In a world of fading bonds, your Stoic mindset is your strength. Start the first exercise tonight, then write "I am Stoic" in the comments to stand with brothers forging Stoicism for women. Share this with a friend, spreading Stoic Reign. Your marriage starts now. Be Stoic. Be hers.